Let's watch this video.
Be mindful of this new WhatsApp scam alert. These guys don't need your OTPs nor links anymore. All they do is send you an innocent photo of someone with a text below it asking, do you know this person? Because of curiosity, you'll want to see who this person is. You will innocently click and open the photo without knowing that this picture or photo has malicious software embedded in them. Once you download this image, they take full control of your device and have access to all applications in your phone, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. All applications in your phone are compromised and they can now use your phone as though it was theirs. This type of attack is known as steganography. So to protect yourself and your
Okay, so before we talk about anything else, let's talk about steganography. As he rightly said, steganography simply means hiding a secret message inside something normal. So let's take steganography as a meat pie. Until you open a meat pie, you wouldn't know what is inside. Sometimes you might open a meat pie and you find beans inside it. Sometimes you might even find an egg, and sometimes there is meat inside it. So what is inside the meat pie is called steganography. So until you open it, you wouldn't know what is inside the meat pie. So as he said, there are some messages inside the picture. So until you open it, you wouldn't know what is inside the picture. So you all know images are made up of single boxes called the pixels, which comes together to form an image. So what hackers do is that they modify the pixels and then they hide secret information inside the pixels, and then they will deliver it to you in order to hack you. Now let's talk about the viral message. When someone sends you an image and asking you, do you know this person, and you download it, you will be hacked. It sounds scary, but here is the truth. That's not how hacking works. Just downloading an image on WhatsApp and opening it won't get your account hacked. In fact, when you send images on WhatsApp, it actually compresses the image. So the details or what you have hidden inside the picture will be lost. So no, the image alone can't hack you. Downloading the image alone won't let hackers hack you. So why are people scared of this? Because there is a little truth and there are more misinformation in that video. Okay, so what actually happens? Let's talk about the real scam scenarios. The first one we'll be talking about is social engineering. So what they do is that they will send you an image and attach a link to it. So the message will be emotional or suspicious, just like what you'll be seeing on Telegram. Then somebody will send you a link saying, I've seen the pictures of you on this site. So it will be very suspicious. So you just click on the link, and when you tap on the link, that's where the scammers will get you. The second one we'll be talking about is file disguised as an image. Sometimes it might not even be an image. It will be an application. Sometimes it will be named as photo.jpg.apk. So it is an application and they have disguised it as an image. So once you tap on it, it will tell you to install. So what you are going to do is that do not install any suspicious app from any social media platform, for it being Telegram, WhatsApp, or others. So the last one I'll be talking about is external apps. Sometimes when they send you these images or these files, it will tell you that it needs an external app in order to view or unlock these images. So as soon as you tap on those apps, it will get installed on your phone without you notice, and they will be use it to spy you or they will use it to hack you. Okay, saying an image alone will hack you is like saying that an image will bite you. It can never be possible. Downloading an image alone can never hack your device unless you do something extra to the image. You download an external app or you click on a link. Other than that, your device can never be hacked just by downloading an image. So let's talk about how to stay safe on social media, for it being WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, or any social media platform. So the first one to do is don't trust strange messages or strange images. Don't trust it. If you don't trust it, don't download it. And the second one is don't click on an unknown link. If you don't know the link, don't click on it, else it will lead you to websites which they will take to hack you. So don't click on an unknown links. And the next one we'll be talking about is don't install apps from strangers. If someone send you an app, don't download it unless you are downloading it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. For that one there, they will make sure it is very safe before they will place it there for you to come and download. So don't download any suspicious apps on your device. And the last one is always verify before taking action. Just verify that what they have sent is correct, or they are not scammers. Just verify before you download anything else or you click on a link. Just verify before you take any action. So yes, steganography works, but it does not work as how they are saying it, unless you do something extra to downloading the image. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and also leave your comments in the comment section. And also don't forget to send this video to someone else to save someone. This is Great Filippo. Until you meet again.